Hi everyone, in this video I will explain what happened when you run .java file in your Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE. When you are working in project or you are learning any programming, you will create .java files and you will write some programs according to your need and you will run. You will see output in console, but do you know what will happen while you running this .java file in your Eclipse tool? If you are a beginner or experienced candidate, if you know this execution workflow, it will be very good. Further, let's start. Here is the 5 steps will happen behind the running the .java file. At first we will create .java file and we will write some source code according to our need, and after that we will click on run button. The Java compiler will convert source file into in human readable code into bytecode. This bytecode actually we cannot understand. After that, this .java .class file will loaded into JVM memory. Here it has verify the bytecode and it will go into next steps. The JIT compiler will compile this bytecode in fastest way and it will reuse the machine code. For example, how it will work, I will tell you. You will write same code one or more than one time, means whenever you are compiling the bytecode into machine code, you will get same machine code second time and third time. So instead of compiling same bytecode two to three times, use same machine code which we got first time for further steps. The JIT compiler will do this job and it will make execution very fast. And after that, this machine code will run and you will see the output in the console. Let's say here I created a hello Java file. Here I written main method. Here I am printing hello Java print statement. If I run this code, first JVM will find the main method. So the JVM itself cannot create object for this hello Java. So if you see, this is static methods. We know we no need to create objects for static method. So the JVM will call hello Java dot main. So here the JVM is not creating object for this hello Java because this is static method. We directly can call with class name. That is the reason JVM will be able to call main method without creating the object. At second, whenever the Java compiler will compile the .java file, it will produce a new file called hello.java.class file. The class file will only contain the bytecode. It is not human understandable. After that, the bytecode will loaded into JVM memory from your project. You created one project folder. Inside that, you will create a .java files. So after the compile, .class files will create and these files will load into JVM memory and this bytecode will verify. After that, the bytecode will converted into machine code using JIT compiler. When these three steps are going, in that meantime, these are the memories the Java is using. Heap, we know heap is used for objects to store. Whenever the methods are executing inside whatever objects you created, those all objects will store in this heap area and those method calls will store in stack and third method area. In our classes, sometimes we will create static fields. So the static fields will load by the time of class loaders only. Whenever your class is loading from disk into JVM memory, by that time only the static fields also will load into method area. Class metadata. Metadata means it is an extra information about methods and classes and PC registers. This is helpful for JVM. Track which bytecode instruction is currently executing. At the end, you will see the output. Here is in high level view. Whenever you are running your jar file in any server, for example, you have a controller and the endpoint heated for that controller means this controller dot class file will load from disk to JVM memory and the bytecode will get verified and the JIT compiler will convert bytecode into machine code and you can see your output in console. You should remember these five key steps. .java files will never run directly. JavaC compiler will compile first, and .class files are the platform independent. It means these files can be used in any other servers also. and JVM loaders reads the .class file and loaded into the JVM memory. And this JIT compiler will convert bytecode into machine code, so the machine can understand the instructions. At the end, you can see the output in your console. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel.